Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys to those of you who watched my live earlier when I got ready and I looked like this. I changed my shirt though. That's the only difference, but they're both black. You can't really tell. But anyways, so I decided I'm gonna do my Boxycharm unboxing today. I have one of my Boxycharms here. This is the one that gets sent to my mother's house, and I'm still waiting for the one that comes to me to arrive, and it won't be here until Tuesday or Thursday, but I don't remember which tea it was, so next week. But I didn't want to wait. I wanted to go ahead and open this up. Now, a backstory. This is, I'm supposed to have an item that's picked for me, or I picked an item in here. Whether or not I'm gonna have that, I don't know. Whenever I emailed Boxycharm and told them that the Sassy Sienna's palette was broken, they apologized and said they would replace it, and they also wanted to offer me a choice between the Dose of Colors Liquid Lip or the Becca Shimmering Perfector powder, or whatever that was, and I picked the Becca, so we're gonna see if I actually got it. My mom opened this already because she wanted to, well, she thought it was something else, and then she was like, oh, and then she called me on live and she's like, your Boxycharm came and it got sent to the wrong house and it was a mess, but we have it. And then there was even more fiasco with the post office when I was there, because the post office called and was like, hey, you have this person's package, it's on the hood of your car along with another package. And she's just like, why'd you put it on the hood of my car? Why didn't you bring it to my door? And she was like, because there was a dog like trying to attack the woman, which not true. That dog does not attack anyone, and it didn't happen. And he's on an underground fence, so it's not like he was like going after her. So, but I mean, you know, I get it being scared of a dog, but the dog is about the same size as this box, so you know, whatever. But anyways, enough about that. That's just random and weird. I want to go ahead and get into the box. So if you guys love unboxings, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys love spoiler videos, me, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So here's our Boxycharm box. This one's actually a really big box this month. I almost was like confused. I'm like, is that the premium? I wish I got the premium, but I didn't get it this month. I'm very, very sad. Oh, my arm itches. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up the box, shall we? Shabam. Oh, I like how it's like a different color in here. And then we have our thing for the month. This is Boxy Stellar. I got variation number 8. And there's some, I guess, spoilers for the Boxy pop-up, which I am going to do a Boxy pop-up spoiler video. So, yeah, this is just saying, hey, do you want to blah, blah, blah. That's what it says on the back. And the inside, oh. Dragon Beauty, get the full fantasy with 15% off your next purchase over $80. Who is gonna spend over $80 on Dragon Beauty? Honestly, no, not me. So that's kind of dumb. Oh, okay. Save 30% on Natasha Denona, the Safari palette, the Sunset palette, or the Eyeshadow palette. Oh my God, Caitlin is gonna be so pissed. She just bought the Sunset palette. She got 20% off though, but this one's 30%. I might have to buy something now. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into what I got in the box. So first off, I got this Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, and this is to figure out what my concealer shade is, and I can tell you right now that none of these are going to be it. So I would have to have a fair shade, and the lightest they sent me was, oh, that is fair, but that's not even like fair. That's more light. Hold on. I want to go ahead and check this out. I'm not going to be able to wear any of those. Okay, let's see what fair looks like on me. Oh yeah, my foundation isn't even this light. Okay, hold on. I'm going to like do a nice swatch here. Okay, I'm going to go put it back. Then I'm going to show you the concealer that I wear every day, just to show you that this is not going to work for me. Just wipe my finger on that. Let me get my concealer. Okay, here's the Jeffree Star concealer. I use mine in the shade C3. that's my concealer. That's the Pretty Vulgar swatch thing that they want us, a little tester. So none of those are gonna work. This one's fair. How is that fair when this is C3? Okay. I must be pretty pale because not even my foundation shade is that dark. But anyways, let's get on to the next item in the box, because that was not even like an item. So we have the Boxycharm official brushes. So excited. I thought Joe said that everyone was going to get 2 if you didn't get the Boxy Premium, which was you were going to get 5 brushes. But some people were saying on my live earlier, well, someone said on my live that other people were getting like different variations. The brushes feel really nice though, but I can tell here there's so many like little hairs that are like sticking out, but I mean, like, whatever. So this is, it just says Boxycharm. I don't know what kind of brushes these are, but this feels like it could be like a foundation brush, but it's honestly a little too soft for that. And I can see this one being for contour. I don't know. Let's see how much that they say the value for these are. So the value for these are $35. We'll see how good they go, but honestly, this one for contour, I think I might start using. It's really soft. It feels really nice. So I'm pretty excited about these brushes. Plus, I always like welcome brushes with open arms anyways, because I hate to clean my brushes. My God, my bronzer looks so good today. Anyways, next up, I got something from Tula, and these are 2 face masks. These are the second face masks from Tula I've gotten in my Boxycharm. I really liked the other one. I only used 1. Hold on, my thing went up. Yeah, okay, we get it. Okay, I only used 1 out of the other set, and I got 3 that time. These ones feel kind of heavy. So these are Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmetic Hydrogel Masks. These have a retail value of $22. That sounds really exciting to use. I love face masks, so unless it's like a weird off-brand that I've never heard of that I'm like scared to put on my face, I love face masks, so pretty excited about these. And plus Tula is a really good brand, so even better. Oh, okay. So even though I chose the Becca product, they didn't give it to me. I got the Dose of Colors, but honestly, I'm not upset. Like, they didn't have to have me choose a product, but I was like extremely excited that they did. But honestly, I'm excited about the lipstick, so I was happy with either one. So this is in the shade Nude Mood, and this looks really pretty just off of the sticker. Oh, and I love the packaging. It's just so cute. Okay, just smells like a normal lipstick. Let's go ahead and give Nude Mood. Oh, you know what? I think I can compare this to a couple of shades that I already own, but who knows? We'll have to play. That is such a pretty shade. Oh my God. And it felt so nice when I put it on my hand too. Wow. I really like that. Okay. See, I'm excited. I'm so excited. And then I picked for, wait, this isn't right. Are we about to have an Ipsy situation? Because I got this and I picked this on my profile and I picked the Kypress on my mom's profile. Unless I got that wrong, but I don't think I did, so I'm gonna have to go back and look, but I'm pretty sure I picked the other product for my mom's. And I did it at the same time, so I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to check my email, but I'm pretty sure I picked this on my profile, so if I get 2, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Do I email them? I don't know. We'll have to see when I get my other box, but I'm really confused. I will, you know what? I'll leave down in a pinned comment or the description whether or not like I got something messed up, because I really don't want this to turn into an Ipsy situation. But anyways, this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and this retails for $50. I want to open, oh, that's a creepy little doohickey right there. Wait. Oh. Smells like a cardboard box. Unless that's just me smelling the box. But anyways, I'm excited about this. I hope I don't get this twice. I mean, I wouldn't be mad, but I mean, again, it's a choice product. I said that before with the Ipsy situation, and if you don't get your choice product, then what's the point? Anyways, last item in the box, this is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. I'm so excited. What's the value of this? $35, which makes sense because the larger palette of this that has 4 more shades, the Celestial Storm, it was like $40, $50. So I'm so excited. Yes. Oh, I've been wanting to play with her shadows so bad. Okay, here's the palette. So freaking excited. Let me look at this blue color. I like the pans. I like how they're like a, oh, I burped on that one almost. Look at, oh wait, look. Oh yeah. Let me just, oh yeah. You can't even see that. Never mind. I'm so excited to play with this palette. If you guys are interested in anything Dominique Cosmetics, I actually have a little thing down below where you can save some percentage on your first purchase. I think it's just your first purchase, I don't know. But it's from Dominique Cosmetics, and I love her brand, honestly. It's pretty freaking good, and I mean, you're gonna save money, so that's pretty cool. So I recommend her, and she has like really good lip gloss. Her lip gloss is my favorite. I like it a whole lot more than I like my Jeffree Star lip gloss. Don't hate me, but I really like her lip gloss. It's really good. But anyways, that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I just shoved it back in here. If you guys got any other items, then let me know. What did you get? What's your favorite item? Let me know in the comments below. You guys keep me young. I don't know, I was trying to do like a Mean Girls thing. But anyways, that's it for this video. I plan on filming another video after this. And yeah, I'm having such a weird like moment right now. I don't even know how to explain it. But anyways, again, thank you guys for coming to my live earlier when I got ready. It really made me happy. So I will let you guys know in what I'm gonna do with another live. I'm like tongue-tied. I don't even know why. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And don't forget to hit the little bell notification so you're aware of when I upload and when I go live, so you guys can know when I go live, okay? And when I upload videos. But anyways, that's it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.